Welcome back home. Group Captain Shukla, he's back on planet Earth with a picture-perfect splashdown. Not much to see because it's pitch dark, but you can see the beauty of what really SpaceX, Axiom and NASA has achieved here. The splashdown happening just as planned. Every second that was planned to the T, that's exactly how it happened. What beautiful images there on the right of your screens. Group Captain Shukla's family, his parents, extremely emotional, understandably so. You can see his mother also in tears. Her son is back home. Her son is safe. Obviously, it's very challenging. It's for the first time, I'm sure, that they've been witnessing these kind of scenes, so unsure of what to expect. But rest assured, all well, the splashdown has occurred. It's going to take about 30 minutes now for us to get our first glimpse of Group Captain Shuks, as he's very fondly called by the Axiom crew. You can see on the left of your screens the boats headed right now, speedboats with the crew on board to help with the removal of the astronauts from the Dragon capsule. All of them on board those boats headed right now towards the capsule. On the right, we're getting you those live images from Lucknow. Very, very emotional parents, and I can say this with certainty, a very emotional nation right now watching these images as the splashdown has occurred. Suesha, what a beautiful moment we've just witnessed. Second Indian ever in space. He's back home safe, and we can't wait to hear about his experience.
Oh yes, absolutely, Akshita. And we must also talk about how this mission has been successful. So 14 days is what these astronauts were to spend at the ISS. It extended to 18 days, 60 experiments. That was the initial aim, but much beyond that, that they have achieved as a part of this mission and successfully come down to take all of this further into future missions.
Very true. This is going to hugely help India's space journey as well. So for anyone who's critical, saying why spend so much money, why spend 500 crores to book a seat on board the space mission, I think the pictures speak for themselves of what really India has also achieved by being a part of this kind of a space mission. That image there on the left of your screens, I know it's pitch dark, which is why we didn't see really the beauty of that capsule touching down on the ocean, splashing down, but the green light that you see constantly blinking, that was the capsule. Right above it, you see a glimpse of the parachute. There were 4 of them, including the drogue, which is essentially the main parachute, and it landed just perfectly the exact spot there where, in fact, the splashdown happens. That too is perfectly planned. That's Shukla's parents there. At this point, I can understand why they're extremely emotional, not willing to really speak or interact with the media. They want to soak in this moment, see this moment. Let's play out for you the reaction there. Understandably so. This is such a proud moment for the family, and at the same time a moment of, I'm sure, quite a bit of anxiety. So they'll be heaving a sigh of relief that their son is back home, waiting, I'm sure, to see him. Unfortunately for them too, it's going to be a long wait, because the next 7 days, Group Captain Shukla, along with the rest of the crew, Peggy Whitson, Wazanowski and Tibor Kapu, they're all going to be in a rehabilitation program, kind of getting used to what it's like to be on planet Earth, getting used to gravity. There'll be tests done to check if they're fit and fine. And only after those 7 days, we're hearing, Suesha, that 25th, of course, we're waiting confirmation, but this is what our sources tell us. 25th is when Group Captain Shukla will be headed back to India. So that'll be a huge moment that we'll watch out for.